Good evening, students. Yesterday we discussed part A, B, and C of the comprehension of the poem Moon Wind by Ted Hughes. So today we will discuss part D and E. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. First question is, what is so strange about the idea in the last line of the poem? Can you think of any other expressions of this kind? So for finding the answer of this question, we will read out the last line once again. Nothing can resist the moon's dead still blast. So the question is, what is so strange about it? Now students, if you observe, dead still blast, this phrase is quite complicated, and you can see contrasting images in this phrase. One part is dead still and the other is blast. Now what is meant by dead still? Dead still means absolutely without movement, something which is dead and still. And what does blast mean? Blast means a loud noise or a strong gust of wind. So a contrasting image has been used in this phrase. Now if you remember, I told you yesterday as well that such an expression in which contrasting images have been used, such expression is known as an oxymoron. Okay, and I also told you a few examples of an oxymoron, like living corpse and clearly confused and open secret. And you can also quote examples from here: dark sunlight, cold flames, and bright darkness. Okay, now move on to the next question. Do you like the poem? Can you say why you like or dislike it? Now students, you have to give your own opinion, right? Let us say if you have liked the poem, what you're going to write. You will write, yes, I have liked this poem because it is full of imagination, it is very interesting, there are very surprising images, or I found this poem very funny, or the images were very unusual and strange, and it made my imagination more rich. Okay, and if you have not liked this poem, you have to give your own reason. Okay, you will have to justify your answer, that why you did not like this poem. You can write, I did not like this poem because I found it quite weird, or it was full of unusual images, and such things cannot happen in reality, so I did not like this poem. So I want to say that you have to write your own opinion in the answer of this question. Okay.